The word of the day today is fumarole. Let's first understand what is the root word here. Okay, so it is made up of root word fumus, which means smoke in Latin. Don't we often use the word fumes for smoke? Hello and welcome to isaykids. I'm glad you chose to learn something new today. Smart choice, I must say. Fumarole is an opening in or around a volcano through which hot sulfurous gases emerge. They can occur as holes, cracks, or fissures near active volcanoes or in areas where magma has risen into the Earth's crust without erupting. The major source of water vapor emitted by fumaroles is groundwater heated by the bodies of magma lying relatively close to the surface. Carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and hydrogen sulfide are the three gases emitted by the fumaroles. Sometimes they are also referred to as dying volcanoes because they occur near the end stages of volcanic activity as the magma deep underground solidifies and cools. Fumaroles can vent for centuries or quickly go extinct depending on the longevity of its heat source. Monitoring changes in the emission rate, temperature, and composition of volcanic gases can help scientists detect the movement of magma in a volcano. This information, combined with other types of monitoring, can help scientists forecast whether or not an eruption is likely and also its explosive power. Accurate forecasting can provide critical time for residents and emergency managers to prepare and to warn pilots about volcanic clouds that can damage jet engines. An area containing fumaroles is known as a fumarole field. The Valley of 10,000 Smokes was formed during the 1912 eruption of Nova Raptor in Alaska. Following the eruption, thousands of fumaroles vented steam from the ash. There are still numerous active fumaroles at Yellowstone National Park, US. Some 70,000 years after the most recent eruption. Can you believe it? Yellowstone National Park has thousands of fumaroles, including black crawler at Norris Geyser Basin and numerous fumaroles dotting Roaring Mountain. Fumaroles are found around the world in areas of volcanic activity. A few notable examples include Kempai Fleckre, known since ancient times and regarded as the entrance to hell, which is now closely monitored because of the hazard it poses to nearby urbanization. Central Volcanic Zone in South America. Kobeti Caldera, Ethiopia, where a geothermal power station is under construction. Taupo Volcanic Zone, New Zealand, where fumaroles support a unique and critically endangered ecosystem. Mount Yusu, Japan. Valley of Desolation in Mont Trois-Pitons National Park, Dominica. And most interestingly, the formation called Home Plate at Gusev Crater on Mars, which was examined by the Mars exploration rover Spirit, is suspected to be the eroded remains of an ancient and extinct fumarole. Hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also click on the bell icon to get the latest updates. Until next time, be kind, make healthier choices, and keep learning. Bye-bye.